Good morning. I'm sorry I'm a couple minutes late. We just got finished with our arraignments, but we're here on the show cause matter.
Morning, Your Honor.
Montville Township versus David McGrew. File number is 2422570N. Attorney Aaron Geschwint is here on behalf of Montville Township, and Mike Hayden, their zoning enforcement officer, is also present. Doesn't appear Mr. McGrew is here. Hi, I'm looking for David McGrew for a zoning violation matter.
I'll call out.
All right, thanks. Bye. Doesn't appear that he is present. Good morning. First, I almost blew the secret of Doug Kuhlman's retirement. You had a panic look on your face.
Yeah,
I missed it. It was such a secret. Then I forgot to do it till it was over with. So my apologies both for blowing the surprise and forgetting to go. Were there any arrests made that night, or was it all pretty?
I think it's coming up.
Oh, is it?
I think so.
No, I thought it was like the 30th. Maybe I'm not blowing it again.
No, it's-
I'm on the line. All right,
No.
we'll wait. We'll talk about it later.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about this. This is a situation where the defendant had a trailer on a piece of property that was burned. And they were living in this trailer or motorhome on the lot at Cedar Court in Montville. There was a show cause order from last April that prohibited them from doing that. And this is a show cause of why they should not be found in contempt for failing to comply with that show cause order. Let me find this file. Ms. Geschwint, what's the status here today?
Thank you, Your Honor. The status is that the property is still not into compliance. The burned out structure is still on the property. It has not been taken care of. It has not been cleaned up. And so today I would be asking that the defendant have 30 days to go in and demolish the structure, clean up the blight associated with the cleanup. And then if they don't, then the township should be allowed to enter the property, bring it into compliance, and charge the costs back to the defendant, as well as $480 in restitution for the unpaid fire bill, and then $225 for reimbursement for ordinance officer enforcement fees.
White Pigeon Township was really at the forefront of trying to collect fire costs. Mr. Hayden, as long as you're here, let's put you under oath. You swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give here will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief?
I do.
And are you the current zoning enforcement officer for White Pigeon Township?
Montville Township, yes.
Montville Township. It's a White Pigeon address, but yeah,
Yes.
It's actually in the little and non-incorporated village of White Pigeon. Now, you've provided some photographs that you took yesterday, and that's always very helpful. Are those photos true and accurate depictions of what you saw?
Yes. I would add that the motorhome is still there. However, they are not living in it.
All right, let's take a look. or the township shall remove the debris, building, trailer, bring the property into compliance, spread the bill on the tax roll of that property. They're also allowed the $480 fire department partial bill, $225, which I'm sure is more than less of the actual cost of the zoning enforcement fees. So I'll await the order. And do you have any idea where the people are, Mr. Hayden?
I believe they're with a family member down in Indiana, Bristol or Middlebury. I don't remember which town. But they do still get mail at that address. Nothing's ever came back to me.
All right, thank you. Stay with me. I'm going to stop the live feed and the record, and I'll address some other matters. All right, I have a sentence at 10:30 and a sentence at 11. And I got